Next time you catch a cold, try this home remedy, guys. It works so well and the ingredients are so easy to get. It's so easy to make and it's so effective. You get results in less than 3 days. If you happen to try this remedy and it works for you, come back and leave a comment in the comment section so that a lot more people will benefit from this simple but effective home remedy. For the past week, it has been windy and very cold, and I think I got a cold, and now I'm coughing. I'm trying to heal. Then my sister sent me this home remedy that I want to try today. It takes 5 days to see results, so I will take you through on what I'm going to do. So for this home remedy, we need dry banana leaves. Then we are going to take those into the kitchen and I'll show you the next step. I have used home remedies for as long as I can remember, and despite the fact that I'm allergic to most of store-bought medicine, I've never liked them because since I was a kid, all I knew was home remedies and they worked well for me, and I continued to use them up to this age. Home remedies have no side effects, that's why I love them. The only side effect with home remedies is that they work. So this is what I got. I'm going to clean this, then I'll show you what to do. With home remedies, you need to be patient because they don't give you instant relief, but you have to take them religiously until you get results. If you do that, home remedies treat the illness from the root, and they will not be like those other medicines that they just numb your muscles and you don't feel pain for a little while. Then after say a few days or a few weeks, the illness surfaces again. So after washing our leaves, we are going to put 1 liter of water into a pot. Then we put the leaves and boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we switch off the stove and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then we will strain and keep the water in the fridge. You can store this water for 2 to 3 days in the fridge. So you take this solution, 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 cup in the evening before you go to bed. And in less than 3 days, you will see results.